Now, I keep saying that when matter is boiling or melting, the temperature does not change. That is what we call specific latent heat. So what is specific latent heat of a substance? It is a measure of how much heat energy is needed to melt or boil a substance. How much heat energy is needed to melt or boil a substance? Now, specific latent heat is the energy needed to boil or melt 1 kilogram of that substance. It is specific, so 1 kilogram of that substance. Now, just as we did for specific heat capacity, we have a formula for this. Energy transferred is equal to mass times latent heat. So energy, which is measured in joules, is equal to the mass times the latent heat. Now, with latent heat, unless you are asked to find them in a question, latent heat of a substance is always given. The reason is because they differ from substance to substance. But unless the question is asking you to find latent heat, where you are going to make L the subject. So now let's make L the subject of this equation. Now M is attached to this L by multiplication. So in order to get rid of this M, we are going to divide both sides by M. Now this M will take this M away. So eventually we are going to be left with E over M is equal to L. If we want to make M the subject, we are going to divide both sides by L, so that this L will cancel this L, and then we have our M here. Then we're going to get M is equal to E over L. So there are three formulae here. E is equal to M times L, M is equal to E over L, and then L is equal to E over M. These are the three formulae we can come up with if we decide to do change of subject.